Uguisu no Fun, also known as the geisha facial, refers to a beauty practice where the excrement of a certain type of nightingale bird is added to the skin. It is said that this treatment whitens the skin, balances tone, and treats hyperpigmentation. Uguisu no Fun literally means nightingale feces in Japanese. The use of nightingale excrement dates back to the Heian period, when it was introduced to the Japanese by the Koreans. Koreans used the bird droppings to remove dye from fabric, allowing them to make intricate designs on clothing. The Japanese took this method and used the droppings to remove stains from silk garments, such as the kimono. During the Edo period, the Japanese expanded its use by using it as a beauty treatment. However, some sources report that 3rd century Japanese women used bags of rice bran and supplies of nightingale droppings to whiten their skin. Geisha and kabuki actors used white makeup known as oshiroi that contained zinc and lead, which likely caused many issues such as skin diseases. Uguisu no Fun was used to thoroughly remove this makeup and to whiten the skin. Buddhist monks also used the droppings to polish and clean their bald scalps. Currently, Hyakusuke is the last shop in Tokyo to sell the government-approved Uguisu no Fun. This 200-year-old cosmetic shop carries the powder along with other cosmetic products. The modern-day revival of Uguisu no Fun in Japan may be attributed to a respect for ancestral traditions, as well as the innovative culture of Japan. Recently, as with many beauty trends, this facial has started to make an appearance in the West. In one New York spa, the facial takes about an hour and costs $180. Guano, which is the droppings of seabirds and bats, is used all around the world for various purposes. For Uguisu no Fun, the guano is produced by a particular type of nightingale, the Japanese bush warbler, known in Japanese as Uguisu. The birds are farmed in cages in Japan, where their diet consists of organic seeds and caterpillars that eat from plum trees. The guano is scraped from the cages, and an ultraviolet light is used to kill the bacteria and sanitize it. It is then usually dried with a dehydrator, though some are sun-dried over 2 weeks, which simultaneously sterilizes them via UV. Next, the dried droppings are ground into a fine white powder, and this is how it will be sold. The guano powder is mixed with water to form a paste, and rice bran may be added for exfoliation. The paste is usually rather odorless and already sanitized. However, the addition of rice bran can also neutralize any musky odor. The mixture is then massaged into the skin for a few minutes and rinsed off. The way the facial works is not entirely clear. The guano from the nightingale has a high concentration of urea and guanine. Because birds excrete a fecal and urine waste from a single opening, called a cloaca, the fecal-urine combination gives the droppings a high concentration of urea. Urea is sometimes found in cosmetics because it locks in moisture, and the guanine may produce a shimmery, iridescent effect on the skin. It is claimed that because of the short intestinal tract of the nightingale, the droppings have protein, a fat-degrading enzyme, and a whitening enzyme that acts on fat and scurf to whiten skin and even out blemishes.